Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you are well. This is Ms. Taghreed and today we have a phonics lesson. Let's start. It is for grade 2. It is about CVCe syllables. It is on page 132-134. You have to know that CVCe syllables are created when you have a consonant, vowel, consonant E in a syllable. So the vowel sound is generally long and it ends with a silent E. In CVCe syllables, we have consonant plus vowel plus a consonant plus E. And the vowel is long generally and it ends with a silent E. Okay? My dear student, you have to know that the meaning of syllable is the number of times that you hear vowels. So the number of syllable is the same number of the times that you hear vowels. So if we have a silent vowel, we will not pay attention to it. Just we will pay attention to the vowels that we can hear it. The words in our lesson today, they are skate, replace, 9, 90, side, sidewalk, face, outside, these, tadpole. Let's see this word. It is these. I want you first to tell me how many vowels do we have in this word? Yeah, we have two vowels, E and E. So we have a consonant vowel. T and H, it is a consonant diphthong. So we have one sound. E is a vowel. S is a consonant. E is a vowel. Do we have a silent vowel here? Yeah, it is consonant E. So we will lightly slash through it. So we have now a CVCe syllable. It has one vowel, so that means we have one syllable. Another example for one syllable words, state, 9, side, face. For state, we have consonant blend ST. It is a consonant blend. A is a vowel. It is long vowel. T is a consonant and E is silent. So we will not pay attention to it. 9, the same for 9. We have N consonant, I vowel, and N consonant and E at the end. So we have CVC E syllable. And E is silent. So will not pay attention for it. Side the same and also the same for face. Now the word replace. I want you again to tell me how many vowels do we have in this word? Yeah, we have 3 vowels. Do we have a silent vowel here? Yeah, we have silent E, so we will lightly slash through it. So we have a consonant vowel, consonant, consonant vowel, consonant vowel. Now I want you to look in between the consonants P and L, and we will split the word right in between these two consonants. So we have now CVCe syllable. It is the second syllable. And rep, it is a closed syllable. It has a short vowel in the middle and it ends with a consonant. So how many syllables do we have here? We have 2 syllables. My dear student, there are many ways to count syllables. For example, you can say the word and clap your hands whenever you hear the vowel sound, or you can talk like a robot. It is very funny to do that. Or you can jump as you say each syllable. Or for example, you can put your hand under your chin. So you will say the word the times your chin touches your hand is the number of the syllables. More example for two syllables words. For example, we have replace, two syllables. Tadpole, we have also two syllables, and the second syllable is CVCe syllable. Also, we have outside and sidewalk. For sidewalk, the first syllable is CVCe syllable. The same for 90, the first syllable is CVCe syllable. For the meaning of the words, we have state, which means country, replace means change, 9 and 90, they are numbers, side, it is part. For example, we have the right side of the brain or the left side of the brain. Sidewalk, it is the place where people can walk, it is a footpath. Face, it is the front of head, it has your eyes, nose, and mouth. These, it is the plural of this. You can revise about these by watching the video that will appear now. Outside is the opposite of inside. Tadpole is the baby of a frog. It has two legs and a tail. Thank you for your listening, my dear students. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.